2021 is going to see China continuing to do well. So, lots of people will say that, is China really going to continue that recovery? Yes, absolutely for me. I think Asia in total is going to continue to do well. You see Japan will pick up and pick up further than it has already. Again, it's handled the crisis of 2020 in a good way. They've actually managed to keep the economy going. China, of course, has recovered quickly, more quickly than most countries around the world. And Asia is such a sleeping giant. We talk about the second biggest economy in the world, China ultimately will be the biggest. We talk about Japan, which is the third largest economy in the world. Again, that's been flat for a period of time. Okay, expect that to start to grow at quite a pace as the future. Even Warren Buffett's invested in Japan at the moment, invested into trading companies there, and that man knows what to do from an investment point of view. Asia really has massive potential, and the emerging markets, let's change it from BRIC. There's a new emerging markets that are going to do super well going forward over the next 5-10 years, and will perhaps outperform the markets that would be traditional, like Western Europe and, of course, the United States of America. Which are the sleeping giants which are going to do well? I guess everybody wants to know that. But we'd certainly look for good stock in China. We'd look for good stock in countries around China that will do well, because you think there's 1.4 billion people in China. We've got another billion in India. I mean, the massive populations that are growing in their knowledge, in their education, and also their use of technology. So, really, why has America done well recently? Well, it's not because it's manufacturing or producing anything, it's because of tech. Okay, you have to expect countries in Asia to be catching up on tech, as well as continuing to manufacture and produce goods. The future from an investment point of view is to say you need to have a global exposure, and you need a good fund manager that can certainly be looking at Asia and taking advantage of the opportunities that definitely exist there.